Hello everyone, this is Afrigas Biotech Innovations. We are here again with the concluding part of the cow dung mixing video. Showing on your screen is the mini digester we used for the purpose of this project. We also included a short clip from the cow dung mixing video we posted earlier, which will be showing on your screen next for the purpose of those who have not seen it. Yes, here the proper mixing of the cow dung is being done, and also lots of impurities are being removed from the cow dung and water mixture. Please note that only water and cow dung was used. No chemical whatsoever was added in the feedstock. As you can see here, the 25-liter keg is being filled with our feedstock, which is cow dung in this case. Other biodegradable materials such as kitchen waste, human waste, energy crops amongst others can also be used as feedstock. Here we are done filling the keg and the mess made earlier has been cleaned. So we left this for some days for the anaerobic digestion process to take place. This digestion process is what produces different gases, one of which is the methane gas that we need. Other gases are removed through a purification process. You can see the methane gas burning on your screen. One of its attributes is that it has a very blue flame. Methane gas can be used for cooking and to generate electricity. Why waste your waste when it can help you cut costs in different ways while reducing your carbon footprint? Join the trend today. Contact Afrigas Biotech Innovations on 080 34 95 9517 or 091 63 87 0210. Afrigas Biotech Innovations, building a sustainable future for all.